Thank you. Thank you.
You're watching DNTV. Before we close down for the night, let's check the time. Now at 28 minutes past 3, and DNTV is closing down. From all of us here on DNTV, this is Davin Crew wishing you all a very good night, and here is our national anthem, and then we'll have the night loop.